What you're seeing in this video is a closer look at how modern combat drones are actually built. In newly released footage shared online, Turkish Aerospace Industries, also known as TUSAS, showcases the manufacturing of massive composite wings designed for next-generation unmanned combat aircraft. These large wing structures are a critical part of advanced drone design. They help aircraft stay in the air longer, carry heavier payloads, and perform complex surveillance and strike missions. Over the past decade, Turkey has rapidly emerged as one of the world's leading developers of combat drones. Turkish-made UAVs have gained global attention for their performance in real combat environments. Systems like the Bayraktar TB2 have already proven their effectiveness in reconnaissance and precision strike missions, while newer platforms such as the Bayraktar TB3 are designed to push those capabilities even further. The TB3, for example, is expected to operate from naval vessels and aircraft carriers, giving it the flexibility to launch missions far from traditional airbases. But behind every advanced drone is a complex engineering process. In the video, engineers can be seen working carefully on large composite wing sections. These components are typically made from lightweight yet extremely strong materials such as carbon fiber composites. This allows the drone to achieve both endurance and structural strength, two key factors for long-range military operations. Bigger wings mean longer flight times, higher altitude capability, and the ability to carry advanced sensors and precision-guided weapons. According to defense analysts, innovations like these are transforming the way modern air warfare is conducted.